Improve your English skills with our dialogue series. Topic: Cooking. I want to learn to cook healthier meals. Do you have any tips for beginners?
Absolutely. Start by using whole, unprocessed ingredients and focus on adding more vegetables to your dishes.
Sounds good. What about oils? I've heard some are better than others for cooking.
Opt for heart-healthy options like olive oil or avocado oil, and avoid cooking with high heat.
Thanks. I'll keep that in mind. Any suggestions for a simple, healthy recipe to start with?
Try making a stir-fry with lots of colorful veggies, lean protein, and brown rice. It's easy and nutritious.